Okay. So on Desmos, what we're going to do is kind of try to duplicate this drawing. So I put a drawing in. You could just make your own from scratch, but this is a neat way to do it. I'm going to work with y equals mx plus b. So I can have sliders if I want. Like I can start changing slope and stuff like this. So I can start to duplicate. Maybe I'll duplicate the back. I'll jump up. Oh, it looks like I need to go even higher, so I can actually manipulate the parameters. I can say this is between 50 and 0, let's say. And now as I step, oh, I'm starting to get a better line. There you go. That looks like it's not bad for the back. And then I can write that in, right? So I have a value for my m, and I have a value for my b, so I can actually say y is equal to 0.1 x plus 12.5. Looks like it's the same line now. And then I can put some parameters around it. I'm going to say that it stops at approximately, say 28. Negative 28. So what I'm doing here is putting on a domain and range. Less than and equal to x, less than and equal to, what's this is about, say 18. Okay, so if I turn off the blue one, and if I turn off the picture, kind of looks like I got the back of the dog. Another way I could go about doing this is I can actually just start putting in the equation myself. So y equals, maybe I'll try the neck. That slope is going to be hard to duplicate. I'm going to assume it's a negative slope, so I'm going to say negative 5x. Oh, way too sharp. 3, negative 3x, still too sharp. Negative 1. Oh, it's not bad for the back of the dog's head. And then I'm going to play with the y-intercept. I'm going to say negative 6. Okay, I'm getting closer. Negative 10, closer. Negative 15, oh, much closer. Negative 17. So this is another way you can go about doing it, by building it. Oh, okay, not bad. I'll play with the slope again. Maybe it has to be more of a decimal value, right? And then again, I would attach the domain and range to it. I'm going to assume it's at negative, we'll say negative 20 and negative 10. Let's see what that gives us. That makes no sense, of course. That number has to be smaller than that one. There you go. Okay, so not quite the right range. I would play for somewhere around here. Oh, I was way off. That should be negative 50 and 20. Okay, not bad. So there's another way I can start doing it. And you'll notice if I turn off the dog image, I'm starting to get part of it. So same idea. We did the Flappy Bird stuff. I want you to try to do this with linear equations to build a picture. You can incorporate quadratics if you want to. But I want you to get used to also working with linear. I want you to be comfortable with these two because they're going to be really important for as we move on into the later stuff. Okay?